Hi and welcome back. Today I just want to do a video on Lordstown. Ticker symbol is RIDE. Why was there a massive sell-off and whether you guys should get in at this price. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also created a Discord, Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and find the next hottest stock. If you guys are interested, check out my link down below and I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you guys like to invest in SPACs, go ahead and hit that like button right now. So let's get started on this. It was down 16% and it went up to 15.17 after hours. If we just take a look at this monthly chart, it's been selling off for a month now. It went to a high of 27.40 before coming all the way down to 13.64. And we see a lot of volume here. Let's take a look at 9 months chart. So we can see that it went all the way up to 31.80. This was back in September. Came back down again, $14. Tried to break this resistance of $30. Couldn't. Came back down and tried it again recently in February. Couldn't. And then we see this massive sell-off. What caused this sell-off? One, it was because of the over market. Secondly, Hindenburg Research came out with a short report. So Hindenburg Research has been coming out with short reports on a lot of stocks. Recently, before RIDE, it was SOS. So let's just take a look at that. There is a lot of tweets from them that you guys can go through. I will just go ahead and show you a few of these. So first one is, Lordstown is an EV SPAC with no revenue and no sellable product, which we believe has grossly misled investors on both its demand and production capabilities. RIDE has consistently pointed to its book of 100,000 pre-orders as proof of demand for its proposed EV truck. Our extensive research reveals that the company's orders appear largely fictitious and used as a prop to raise capital and confer legitimacy. Example 1. RIDE recently announced a 14,000 truck deal with E-Square Energy, supposedly representing $735 million in sales. E-Square is based out of a small residential apartment in Texas that doesn't operate a vehicle fleet. Another example, another 1,000 truck $52.5 million order comes from a two-person startup that operates out of Regis Virtual Office with a UPS store address. The owner said it won't actually order any vehicles, instead describing the pre-order as a mere marketing relationship. Example 3. Yet another firm supposedly set to buy 500 trucks of RIDE said, the letters of interest are non-binding. It's not like you obligate yourself to a pre-order or that you would contractually bind yourself to buying this truck. That's not what they are. So that came out on Friday, which caused the stock to drop below $14.
The company went public in October under the ticker RIDE after merging with Diamond Peak Holdings Corporation, which is a special purpose acquisition company or SPAC. This company is in the process of conducting beta testing on its all-electric pickup, the Endurance. It plans to start full production in September at the former General Motors Lordstown plant, which it purchased. The CEO, Steve Burns, responded in an interview to Hindenburg's report and said the report contained half-truths and lies, and that the short seller has a motivation to hurt the stock before the company reports its first quarterly update as a publicly traded entity next week. He acknowledges hiring consultants to generate pre-order and stated this was done to assess market demand and the pre-order book was never misrepresented. He also stated The company is confident there is demand for its trucks, and the pre-orders were a way to gauge interest as it preps the factory to build for certain volumes. He also says some of these businesses aren't fleet operators. The company is still on track to start building market-ready trucks in September, he also stated, and much of the equipment necessary to manufacture the battery packs is installed. The company initially outlined plans to begin production by late 2020. The company later pushed back the timing to January 2021, citing disruption from the pandemic, and then pushed it back to the start of September. The company had a market value of $2.9 billion as of Thursday and has not sold a single vehicle. Companies sound similar to that of Nikola, where they haven't sold a vehicle yet. This company is targeting the commercial truck market, just like Nikola. In a regulatory disclosure in December, Lordstown Motors said it didn't have any current customers or pending orders, and there was no assurance the non-binding pre-orders will be converted to sales. Right now, it is still all speculations. They are going to report their fourth quarter earnings report next week and host its first investor conference call on Wednesday. If you are looking to get in, I would hold off until after earnings, or you can sell a cash secure put to get in at a lower price. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So you're going to have to go to options. I am using Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, but you can do this on any platform. So I'm going to go ahead and hit options, and you're going to want to have to choose a expiration date. I like weekly options because they give me more control. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the 26th March. And you can just pick a strike price that you're comfortable with. A strike price is essentially your buy limit. What price would you want to buy it at? So let's say you want to buy it when it reaches $14. So the only way you'll be able to buy at 14 if the stock goes to 14 or below at the end of the day on expiration date, which is 26 March. If it doesn't, your collateral is released back to you. So you're going to need to put up the collateral, which is 100 times your strike price. In this case, it's $1,400. So your brokerage will put the $1,400 aside just in case you do get assigned. So for selling a cash secure puts, you will receive $159 up front. This is money that you can use for anything that you want. You can actually purchase shares with this money. So this is one strategy that you guys can implement into your trade. So let's say you want to buy it at this price. Another strategy is you can buy a leap call and sell cover calls against those leap calls. And that's considered a poor man cover call. So you would want to go to 2022 or 2023 expiration dates. I would just go for the 2023 just because they're probably going to delay their production even more this year. Who knows what can happen? And you're going to want to choose an option with a delta of 0.8 or higher. So it looks like 10 strike price or 7.5 or even a 12.5 is pretty close. Now you're looking to pay $935. This is almost similar to purchasing 100 shares, but at a discount. And now you can make extra money by selling covered calls. Let me know if you guys have any questions on those two strategies, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We do have a few members that are also learning options as well and trying to generate extra money by selling options. Do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get one free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get one more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.